offensive coordinator Byron Leftwich, among others. The Giants requested an interview with Cardinals VP of Player Personnel Quentin Harris for the team's general manager job. Harris is a former Giants safety. He's been working closely with Cardinals general manager Steve Keim, managing the college and pro personnel departments in Arizona. The Broncos reportedly have a long list of candidates for their head coaching.
He was, Wayne, what is your fucking problem, man?
He don't care about the sound
no,
that
he don't. I think he forgets that there's a microphone there sometimes.
I've been drinking.
Nah, your dad, wasn't your dad in the streets a little bit too?
Yeah, on his way to the airport. Peanuts.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Oh. Oh ho ho. Guy in the pickup next to us blew a tire on his trailer.
A lane closure was reported on I-35E.
Whoa, trời ơi! Trời ơi, cái...
Hey.
Oh, I knew somebody was about to fucking...
Damn it! Pull over.
I've seen him coming.
Fuck! Fuck!
And where they were at, and if there were any corrections that needed to be made, and gave full transparency into why they needed to make corrections on their daily tallies. They would talk about which results had just come in and how that was going to change the counts, and they did everything they could to try and be transparent and to be forthcoming with their information.
Wow. Really? You're really a jackass.
You know they had to do that because there's so many people moving in here. Yeah. Oh, no headlights.
Ooh, that would have been bad.
We're gonna go wipe off that guy's window and his license plate.
He's standing right there.
I'm gonna do it.
you know, and then I'll give him a massage again, you know. Anyway, so it wound up into a whole session. We had a great night. It was fun.
And then I flossed my teeth with their tampon.
Yesterday was, we got up in the morning and I had her gifts laid out on the kitchen table, and she loved her gifts. And
did you write a love poem?
What?
No, I just got a really cool card. You know, a really cool, mushy love card, and then I always get like a funny card also. It was the card was really cool. Very simple card. It had pictures of 2 spoons on the front, 2 little spoons. It says, "I love to spoon with you," and then it opens up, and there's 2 forks in there, and it says, "I like the fork too."
Look at you.
Yeah.
Roses are red, give me head.
And I got her a box of Godiva chocolate.
Right.
What else did I get her?
Romantic.
I got her a platinum rose from Steven Singer that I called up and ordered.
That's beautiful. Do you ever write anything personal in the card, or is it just the card and then you put love Ronnie?
No, I write stuff.
What'd you write? That's what God's going to know.
I'm Mr. Fucking Know-It-All. I'm fucking empty. I can't think.
How much I love her and how much I like spending, you know, my
I saw them walk into the restroom, and I fell asleep. I'm so glad I have that. I should have tried that.